takeoff, Southwest 905. Southwest 1042, RC7.
1042, Santa to Tower, continue approach runway 07, wind estimated 040 degrees, 12 knots.
You for 7, Southwest 1042.
1042, Santa Tower, read you 1.
Thanks, sir. 1042, how's this radio?
42, a little better. 3.
Thank you.
Southwest 1042, clear to land runway 07, wind estimated 040 degrees at 10 knots.
And runway 7, Southwest 1042.
Southwest 905, airborne 41, contact Santa radar 120.8, good day.
Southwest 905, have a good day.
Flight 124, Santa Tower, confirm ready for departure.
Ready, Frontier Flight 124.
Frontier Flight 124, line up await, runway 07.
Wait, runway 7, Frontier Flight 124.
Southwest 1042, alright 45, vacate via Bravo, contact south to ground 121.7.
Tower, Hurricane 1075, with you inbound.
American 1075, arrive 50, vacate via Bravo, correction, vacate via Alpha, contact south to ground 121.7.
Yeah, Alpha and the ground 17, 107.
Good day, Southwest 293.
Yeah, Tower United 1160, holding point 07, ready when able.
60, sign for tail, line up and wait, runway 07.
Runway 07, United 1160.
Continue approach, runway 07. 32, airborne 1-2, contact radar 120.8, good.
Good day, Southwest 1832.
160, wind estimated 070 degrees, 15 knots, clear takeoff runway 07.
Runway 07, United 1160.
Blue 280, holding short, runway 7.
280, sign for tower, hold short, runway 07.
Runway 07, JetBlue 280.
For heavy wind estimated 060 degrees, 19 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
7, 12 Daddy, 5 full heavy.
Data 1160, airborne 14, contact radar 120.8, good day.
28, United 1160, thanks.
Good afternoon, JetBlue 1193, RMP 07, just outside Bolt.
1193, ascending to tower, continue approach, runway 07.
JetBlue 1193.
JetBlue 280, line and wait, runway 07.
Line up and wait, runway 07, JetBlue 280.
Unit 854, heavy, arrived 17, vacate taxi, Alpha, contact ground 12.7.
So 1217, 12 Daddy, 5 full.
1193, continue approach, expectedly landing range.
Blue 1193.
280, wind estimated 060 degrees, 12 knots, clear to immediate takeoff, runway 07, traffic 3 mile final.
For immediate takeoff, runway 7, JetBlue 280.